Today we're in Gloucester and we're carrying out some drain lining at this property after a CCTV survey was carried out and it flagged up loads of displacements, fractures and roots within the drain. The first one runs across the front underneath the driveway and the second one's up the side of the garage. Both of them are losing water, causing the property to move, so we need to get them sealed up. First section we needed to take a look at was here, so we lifted the manhole, threw a camera down and found there was about 6 metres worth that needed doing. Every single joint had stepped out of place, had roots or displacements within. Next we got a 7 metre length of drag liner and impregnated it with 7 litres of polyester resin before pushing it into place using some drainage rods. This is to cover up all the defects and cracks and root intrusion. Once we were happy that it was in the right place, we inflated our balloon up to a bar of pressure and we could see on the camera it came out the other end, so we know we were fully inflated, where it sat there for 2 hours until it went off rock solid. This is the final footage. In total you only end up losing 2 to 3 millimeters off of the 100 mm pipe you're lining, which is nothing, and now it's all sealed. The second manhole that ran across the front was a little bit trickier. Once we ran it through, we found that the benching on the side of the manhole had started to collapse, and also the roots had really started to get into this pipework, and the customer had actually experienced a few blockages already. As it ran between two manholes, we were able to put this rope on the end of our camera, pull it through, which means we can just attach this to the liner once we've wet it out and pull it into place rather than pushing it down with some rods. Makes our life a bit easier. We used our second drum to hold this one in place, and once it had cured, we concreted the side of the manhole and put a camera down the inside. If you have a look at the footage here, you can just make out slight divots where the old joints were displaced, but now there's no more flow restriction, and no points where any roots can get back in again. We then cleared out the manhole where the block paving was, because loads of sand had gone down and it's a bit tricky to lift, just in case the customer gets any blockages in the future. So this was put in place, everything was swept down, and that was another job completed. 2 liners, about 3 or 4 hours worth of work, no disruption to any of the driveway or any of the surrounding ground. Now let's get back round the M25.